students, imagine this. You want to know a math problem? You searched in Google. What happens next? First, the ad pop-up comes. Then Wikipedia. Then some blog links. You need to open 5 to 7 tabs just to get a simple answer. Right? It is like you are going to a library asking for a book. The librarian gives you hundreds of books and tells you to search it on your own. How do you feel at that time? Yes, on the other side, imagine you had a question in your mind. You went to the library to read relevant books to get the answer, but the librarian gave you the answer by reading all the relevant books in a few seconds. Now tell me, which one saved your time and energy? Perplexity AI? Yes, it's just like the librarian who reads everything in seconds and gives you the exact answer you need. The great mind behind this invention is a boy from Chennai named Arvind Srinivas. Yes, today in this video, let's talk about Arvind Srinivas, what made him build this AI platform, and what to learn from him. Hi, I'm Mamta Rupesh, your Vedic Maths teacher. Before watching the video, please support us by liking, sharing and subscribing to our Vedic Maths channels on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Spotify and YouTube. Your support means the world to me. And to get more interesting content to you, we also have a WhatsApp community and that supports students, parents and teachers. All the links are given in the description. And come, let's get into the video. Arvind Srinivas is also like many of you who was curious to learn and work harder. He cracked India's one of the toughest exams, JEE Advanced, but lost an IIT computer science seat with a CGPA of just 0.01%. He then joined electrical engineering and earned a dual degree from IIT Madras in 2017. He completed his PhD from the University of California, Berkeley in 2021 and worked with popular tech companies such as OpenAI, Google and DeepMind. Usually parents think that cracking JEE, getting into IITs and getting a job at Google is when life is settled. Arvind Srinivas was well paid and had his life settled. But then he quit his job because one day he was searching on Google and needed to refer to at least 10 resources to get the answer. It was time consuming, right? Then what happened is he thought, why can't the computer just read the 10 links for me and tell me the answer? What if I built a search engine that actually respects people's time? Then he launched Perplexity in August 2022, a browser-like tool for quick results. Yes, he didn't want to build a search engine where you go and search. He wanted an answer engine that lets you find answers that can save your time. In early 2024, Perplexity's net value was $520 million. And by the end of 2025, it had risen to $2.5 billion. Perplexity is not just a tool, it's a replacement for the browser. And guess what? Arvind Srinivas is the youngest Indian billionaire in 2025 in India with a net worth of 21,190 crores. Arvind Srinivas follows a famous Japanese tactic called Shoshin, for which I made a complete video. The link is given in the description. Shoshin means beginner's mind, and Arvind says that when his product is wrong, he will openly admit it and rebuild it from the scratch. He once said, the future isn't about better search. It's about the discovery of knowledge. We all need to practice learning as though we are beginners, because a new mindset creates new ideas and new possibilities. For years, school taught us that being smart means memorizing the answers. But Arvind has rewritten it. He proved that the future belongs to those who ask the right questions. Computers can memorize, but they cannot be curious. Only you can be curious like Arvind Srinivas. He is successful not because of textbooks, but because he looked up Google and asked himself, Why can't I make it better? So, next time when you are frustrated with your homeworks or game, don't complain. Think about how can I fix this? This is billionaire's mindset. And parents, a small request. We all want our children to be like Sundar Pichai or Satyam Nadella, CEOs of multi-billion-dollar companies. This is an amazing dream. Yes, that's really an amazing dream. But also remember, at the end of the day, they are also employees only. But Arvind Srinivas set a different path. He doesn't want to be the next CEO of Google or Microsoft, but he built the next Google. If your child has ideas, let them explore it. Do not restrict them to being just a bookworm and limit their boundaries. The world has enough employees who follow someone's order. It is required that creators solve problems in a new way. Arvind Srinivasan proved that a common person from Chennai can challenge the world's biggest internet tech company. Yes, it doesn't matter whether your child is in class 5, 10 or 12. Their brain is always the super powerful weapon. Let them stop memorizing and start building. If you want to know how to build a problem-solving brain for your child using math, then quickly comment powerful. Let's discuss one-on-one and let's make learning logical and not magical. If you found this video informative, please share it with your loved ones. Also like, share and subscribe to our Vedic Math channels so we keep bringing you content that truly helps. Your support really matters to us. That's all from my end. See you all in the next video.